this is Brenda from the Pop-Up Homestead. I wanted to show you something pretty cool that's happening inside our outdoor kitchen screen tent. Now it's just kind of a catch-all room. But you know how I'm a big seed saver? Well, I brought a bunch of seeds, collard seeds actually. Jake Kokonovich helped me harvest great big collard stems that had all the seed pods, and this is the room I dried them out in. And when I dried them out here, I dried them on the ground. And it's pretty cool what's been happening in here. I saved a whole bunch of seeds, but some of them must have made it to the ground, and food is bountiful in this room without any help from us. So let me show you. So, as you can see on the ground, there's lots of poison ivy. Oh yeah, it's everywhere. But in addition, I was looking at the poison ivy the other day. Look at that. Those are collards growing. I didn't plant them. I didn't water them. I didn't maintain them. They're just, the seeds landed there and they grew. See, the collards are the little rounded leaves. Look over here. Literally hundreds of collards growing. Oh, and those are wild green onions. And of course more poison ivy. The pretty three-leafers, those are poison ivy, in case you were wondering. Yeah, we've been covered in it since we moved here. Yay! Anyhow, the collard greens. Oh yeah. See, Sean's pointing out there's a great big one right there about to hit me in the ankle. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you, these weren't planted, these weren't watered, these weren't maintained in any way, these weren't in beautiful potting soil. And you see how bountiful food can be without even trying. We're growing hundreds of collard plants. Look at that, there's more of them over there. And I would guess if Sean hadn't cut the grass outside the screen tent, there'd probably be a bunch more out there too. And this is just from the stems laying there and drying that I didn't get. I already harvested a mason jar full of collard seeds. So, very cool. So, the dotted landscape is all collards. So we could eat them as microgreens. We could let them get bigger and transplant them. And they're pretty cold hardy. Oh, there's Lovey. She's coming to walk on the collards. You can see, it doesn't matter. They're pretty tough. Anyhow, Brenda checking out from the Pop-Up Homestead. Have a great day, y'all.